Hello, good morning. Happy Thursday. Welcome to Sue's Wellness Hub. So today I decided I should show the people that enjoy the wrap. Okay, so we do raw vegan wraps here at Sue's Wellness Hub. Very, very healthy. When we talk about plant-based foods, you must be innovative. You must have a wide range of foods. So this is why we introduced this wrap. This is all plant-based. There's no meat, there's no chicken. It is so good. It is so yummy. So you can also buy the bases and you can go and put whatever you want, and you are going to see that we have actually put all the beautiful organic ingredients. Okay, so before I start, I just want to show you what I have. This is what is going to go inside the wrap. The base is made out of beetroot pulp. You know, here at Sue's Wellness Hub, we make a lot of juices. So we don't throw away the pulp. So the pulp is what we use to make these wraps. So we've got three types of wraps. We've got beetroot wrap, carrot wrap, broccoli wrap, which is green. And sometimes we also do a butternut wrap. But specifically today, we are doing a beetroot wrap. So one thing that I want to tell everybody is that what we eat at Sue's Wellness Hub, you must have a reason to have it. Okay, so beetroots are very good antioxidants. They'll give you iron, and it's a wonderful root vegetable. So there is a reason why you need to have this wrap. Okay, and then on the plate we have all the color veggies. Look at that. Okay, so we have the bell peppers. So we have the yellow pepper, the red pepper, the green pepper, and then we have those carrot strips. Then we have our yummy sunflower sprouts. Then we have some red onion there, and then we have some avocado, and we also have cucumber, and we have some cashews. So, like I said in the beginning, we have a reason to eat what we are eating. So many people ask me like, Auntie Sue, now if you eat only vegetables, where do you get your protein? So we've got a lot of protein here, and one of the protein is cashew. So we get our protein from cashew. And then we come on the dressing. So the dressing is cashew mayonnaise. I'm sure those that have been here and have bought cashew mayonnaise, they've seen that today it's a bit different because I've added some coriander there and some dill, so that we get some vitamin K, some vitamin D, and E from those herbs that I've added to the cashew mayonnaise. Okay, all these things are made right here at Sue's Wellness Hub Farms. And then the salt for seasoning, what we are using for seasoning is celery salt. So it's a safe salt, even for people with high blood pressure, we have that. And then we have some seeds there, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and all the seeds that you can think of. And, that's another source of protein and another source of fiber. All right, so now let's go into the making of the wrap. Okay, so let's make the wrap. So you're gonna spread your cashew mayonnaise all around the wrap. Okay, make a generous spread. This has to be very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so we've spread that. Now we start to line our vegetables. So we can start with our carrots. Then we can go to the yellow peppers. Then we go to the red peppers. And then we put the green bell pepper, the green peppers, and we put our onions. You can put them on top there. Then we are going to put our sprouts. They can also go on top. Okay. And then we put our avocado. Okay. And then we put the cucumber there. Then we have our cashew nuts. Okay, this is a raw vegan meal, but we have put roasted cashew nuts because that's what I have. All right, and then I'm going to put a little bit of my seeds. All right, and then we'll put our celery salt, just a little bit for taste. And then we now dress our wrap with the yummy cashew mayonnaise. Yummy cashew mayonnaise. This is so good. I love this. And it is so filling. Okay, so we can put this one away. All right. So we have our wrap. It's now ready to be wrapped. Okay, so you hold it like that. Be gentle. There's no gluten in here, so it has to hold very nicely. Right. So this is what you're going to do. This is what we do every day at Sue's Wellness Hub. Okay. So our wrap is done. Don't worry, some of it is gonna fall off. And then we cut our wrap in half. Okay, so this is so good. Look at that. Okay, so here is our final product. All right, so this is how the wrap looks. Very nice and yummy. This is a beetroot wrap. During the show or any other time you want to have a healthy lunch, come to Sue's Wellness Hub. This is so heavenly, so good. I think I'll share one with the cameraman. Thank you so much. Can we test? I wish somebody was here to test. Nice. Everybody must come and have this. So good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna start making this wrap in your own home. Thank you and be blessed.